Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to check the latest notification for the PhD admission 2021 from Central University Rajasthan. So in this video we are going to discuss about important dates, eligibility, procedure, the detail about this notification. So here all total of 25 subjects the PhD are available and the admission is for 171 seats. So in this video we will discuss about everything you need to know. So please watch this video till the end so that you will get all the latest notification and a detailed guide for your PhD admission. So before this, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding the different PhD admissions, UG and PG admissions in different universities in India and abroad. So let's get started. So now you can see we are into the official website of this Rajasthan Central University, that is Central University of Rajasthan. So here you can check the detail about this PhD notification. So we'll check the schedule of this PhD admission process, PhD seat matrix, general instruction for a PhD eligibility criteria and area of research. So we'll discuss everything in this video. So please watch this video till the end. So let us see what is the instruction that is given for the PhD. So let me zoom it. So as you can see, this admission is for the odd semester, that is for the academic year 2021-2022. So candidates who have qualified for any national level examinations like NET, JRF, UGC, CSIR, ICMR, ICAR, GATE, GPAT and DPT, JRF, etc. So you can apply for this, and the sponsor candidates, teacher fellowship holders are also eligible for this admission. So there is a link given for this. You can directly click on this and apply for this. So all the candidates must have their valid email IDs and mobile number, and there will be a non-refundable of examination fee, that is application fee of rupees 1000 plus transaction charges will be there. So university will be not responsible for any technical glitch or any delay if any of the submissions form for the payment of the application fee. Alright, so you can check the details from here. So students having any grievances, they can directly contact this mail ID. One official mail ID is given here. You can check this mail. Okay, so please watching this university website regularly, so there will be no separate information will be given in the individual applications. So you have to check this information, all the latest notification from the university website only, so there will be no communication to the students. So admission will be consist of two components: an online proctored written test consisting of 3 to 4 descriptive general aptitude test questions, and an online presentation as per the given template for a maximum 10 minutes, followed by an viva for the PhD admission committee. So there will be two things you need to consider. There will be an online aptitude test and there will be an viva voice. It is for the personal and interview, you can check, but this will be online. So the interested eligible candidates are required to appear the written test, presentation, interaction with the notified date and time. So the dates will be notified. We'll check this date in this video only. Okay, so let us see what are the order details. So you need to have your identity card, everything you need to check, and having a very mindful background while appearing the personal interview. So everything is mentioned here. No light behind the candidate's face should be well and clean. So everything is written. You can check the detail about this personal and interview. So candidates are advised to submit WhatsApp number in advance to the concerned department. The departmental candidate may contact the candidate immediately on their mobile phones or WhatsApp features in case of any technical difficulties. So let's see what are the marks. Okay, candidates securing at least 50% marks in the unreserved category and 45% mark for the reserved category in the combined score of exam and presentation and interview will be eligible for consideration of the admission as per the merit list. So there will be a merit list. The list of successful candidates will be displayed on the website. Okay, so I'm skipping this. You can check the other details here. It is not, I'm only highlighting the important things. Okay, so let us see what is the schedule. So this you can check the important dates. The admission form will be open from 15 July. So it is already open now. So last date will be 2nd August for the submission of admission form with the application fee. It is the 2nd August. Online publication of list of candidates eligible, not eligible on the website on 9th August. So till 2nd August you can apply. The 9th August you can check your name is there or not. So last date of filing the grievances, anything, will be on 11th August. Okay, so general aptitude test will be on 18th August. You need to keep a note on this. And online presentation of interview will be on 23rd August to 31st August as per the notice given to you. So after 18 August there will be a personal interview, that is from 23rd to 31st. So exact date will be given to you. So merit list of candidates will be displayed on 2nd September. Last date of submission fee will be on 7th September. And the verification of documents will be on 9th September. Display of list admitted students will be on 10th September. And the process of admission will start from 11th September to 30th September. After this, the classes will be started. So let us see what are the seat matrix. So I have told you previously, so there will be 25 subjects, you can check, and 171 seats. So let us see what are the subjects are available. So we can check the PhD in atmospheric science, biochemistry, biotechnology, chemistry, commerce, computer science, and culture, media, economics, education. So mostly topics are covered. Apart from in the engineering, only the computer science engineering is available. And here you can check the yoga, statistics, PhD in psychology, social work, physics. So all the details you can check here. And the unreserved category, it is 74 seats. For the OBC, you can check, it is 48 seats, like that. So 171 seats according to the reserved category it is given. So this will be the seat matrix. So this is the eligibility criteria for this. So according to the different discipline that the program, the different subjects you need to have a mastery on this. So according to your program, you can check the eligibility and the marks obtained. So minimum will be 55% mark for the general category, and there will be on 5% relaxation mark for the reserved category. Mostly it will be same for all the things, all the disciplines. So you can check. So I'll put this link in the description so that you can check. So here is the area of research. So apart from the PhD program, so in that you can check the area of research. So if you are interested of any area of research, you can directly go to the website and fill up the form. So this is all about the area of research inside the program, so you can check. So this is all about this PhD admission program from the Central University Rajasthan. So if you have any queries, please comment us below so that we will try to solve it. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And if you are if you like this video, then please press the like button so that it will encourage us. And please join our different social media handles so that you will get all the latest notification, and also join our Telegram channel so that you will get all the latest notifications. So thank you for watching University Study Guide. See you soon in another video.